हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू। मैं हूं आपकी मैथ्स गुरु चंद्रप्रभा। कैसे आप सभी लोग? हम लोग पढ़ने हमारी क्लास का 10th का चैप्टर नंबर 10 ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन अ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी राइट एंगल्ड एट ए, इफ ए बी इज 12, ए सी इज 5 एंड बी सी इज 13, फाइंड ऑल द 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ एंगल पी। व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन? Given that triangle ABC is right angle at angle A, it means A angle जो है हमारा वो 90 डिग्री का है, and we have to find out all the 6 trigonometric ratios like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So I have drawn the figure here. I have drawn the figure here. AB is equal to 12, AC is equal to 5 and BC is equal to 15. With reference to angle B, we have base AB is equal to 12. Sin B is equal to, what is the value of sin theta? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sin B perpendicular, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is AC and hypotenuse is BC. तो sin B की वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू AC अपॉन BC. AC is equal to 5 and BC is equal to 13. And from here sin B will be equal to 5 upon 13 and cos B will be equal to base upon hypotenuse. What is the value of base? Base is equal to AB, which is equal to 12, and hypotenuse is equal to BC and is equal to 13. So cos B is equal to AB upon BC, which is equal to 12 upon 13. Tan B is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular की वैल्यू क्या गिवन है? AC, which is equal to 5 and AB is equal to 12. AC upon AB is equal to 5 upon 12. Cosec B, the value of cosec B is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is BC and perpendicular is AC. Hence from here cosec B is equal to BC upon AC, which is equal to 13 upon 5. Sec B is equal to hypotenuse upon base, which is equal to BC upon AB is equal to 13 upon 12. And cot B is equal to base upon perpendicular. What is the value of base? Base is equal to AB, which is equal to 12, and perpendicular is equal to AC, which is equal to 5. So from here cot B is equal to 12 upon 5. Another question is, find the value of cos theta plus sec theta when it is given that cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. In this question what we have given the value of cos theta and we have to find out the value of cos theta plus sec theta. So what we know that sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So it will be equal to 1 upon 1 by 2, which is equal to 2. Now putting the value of cos theta and sec theta in the equation, which is equal to cos theta plus sec theta. Cos theta की value is given 1 by 2 and sec theta we have find out that is equal to 2. Now taking the LCM, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1, LCM will be equal to 2. So it will be equal to 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5 by 2. Hence the value of cos theta plus sec theta will be equal to 5 by 2. Another question is, find the value of tan square theta into cosec square theta minus 1. What we know from the identity, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, what we know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now putting the value of cosec square theta in this given equation, so which is equal to tan square theta into 1 plus cot square theta minus 1, plus 1 and minus 1, which will be equal to 0. So it will be equal to tan square theta into cot square theta. And what we know that cot square theta is equal to 1 by tan square theta. Now putting the value of cot square theta here, but we get tan square theta into 1 by tan square theta, which is equal to 1. So hence the value of tan square theta into cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to 1. Next question is, in a right triangle ABC right angled at C, if tan is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. What we have given that right triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. We are drawing the right triangle here. It's right angled at angle C and tan A is equal to 1. What is the value of tan A? Tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base. perpendicular or base का ratio is given is equal to 1. So let's suppose BC upon and AC is equal to P, and the ratio of BC upon AC is equal to 1, it is given, and we have to verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. So from here I have drawn this right triangle. AC angle C is 90 degree, and BC, let's suppose BC and AC both are equal to PP. Now we have to find out the value of AB. So what we will use? We will use Pythagoras theorem here. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse is AB, AB square is equal to base is AC and perpendicular is BC. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now putting the value of AC and BC, AB square is equal to P square plus P square. AB square is equal to P square plus P square is equal to 2P square. Now taking the under root, then what we will get? We will get AB is equal to P root 2. Now we have to verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. So first of all we will find out the value of sin A and cos A. Sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is equal to BC upon AB. Now putting the value of BC and AB, which is equal to P upon P root 2, which is equal to 1 upon root 2, and cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse, which is equal to AC upon AB. Putting the value of AC and AB, which will be equal to P upon P root 2, which is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now putting the value of sin A and cos A in the given identity, which is equal to 2 into sin A into cos A, that will be equal to 2 into 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2, which will be equal to 2 upon 1 upon 2, because 2 under root 2 into under root 2 is equal to 2, and 2 upon 1 upon 2 will be equal to 1, hence proved. Okay, next question is evaluate 3 tan square 30 degree plus tan square 60 degree plus cosec 30 degree minus tan 45 degree upon cot square 45 degree. So what we know the values? We know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3, tan 60 degree is equal to under root 3, cosec 30 degree is equal to 2, cot 45 degree is equal to 1 and tan 45 is equal to 1. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? जो मैंने टेबल बताई थी उसके सारी वैल्यूज़ को हमको लर्न करना है, क्योंकि ये हमारे आगे जाके बहुत यूज़फुल रहती हैं, तो उसको सब लोग लर्न करके रखेंगे. तो नाउ पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ tan 30, cosec 30, tan 60 degree, cot 45 degree and tan 45 degree in the equation. So it will be equal to 3 into 1 upon under root 3 का square plus under root 3 square plus 2 minus 1 upon 1 का square. अब हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे. 3 into 1 upon root 3 का square will be equal to 1 upon 3 plus under root 3 का square is equal to 3 plus 2 minus 1 upon 1. 3 into 1 upon 3 कैंसिल आउट होकर बचेगा क्या हमारे पास? 1 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1 upon 1. इसके हो जाएगा 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6 minus 5 upon 1, which is equal to 5. Another question है, prove the following identity: sin cube theta plus cos cube theta upon sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Now taking the left hand side, which is equal to sin cube theta plus cos cube theta upon sin theta plus cos theta. What we know? We know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Let's suppose a is equal to sin theta and b is equal to cos theta. So from here, value of sin cube theta plus cos cube theta will be equal to sin theta plus cos theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta. sin theta plus cos theta से sin theta plus cos theta कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. हमारे पास क्या बचेगा? sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin theta cos theta. And we know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Putting the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta in this equation, it will be equal to 1 minus sin theta into cos theta, which is equal to right hand side of the given identity, hence proved.